Hey there, it's Carrie from ZarMoney Academy. Getting paid quick and easy by letting clients pay you by credit card is a fast and convenient way that ZarMoney helps you with your customers. Accepting credit cards is a safe, fast, and painless way that you can help your business process payments online or over the phone. You can connect your payment gateway, whether it be by your Stripe or Authorize.net account, through ZarMoney. Remember, ZarMoney does not charge or collect any fees once connected. Here's a detailed example of how it works. To accept credit cards to your ZarMoney account, from your top navigation, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Accept Credit Cards from the left navigation. Sign up with Stripe or sign in if you already have an account. After connecting your account to Stripe or Authorize.net, you'll have two options to receive payments. First option is by email. When you send your invoice via email, checkmark the credit card option and your customer will receive an email with a pay button and they will be able to pay online. Once paid, they will receive a message that will look like this. Option number 2, over the phone or in person. When receiving payment over the phone or in person, select credit card as your payment method and then click Enter Card Details. Fill in each field accordingly. Note, don't forget to checkmark the box next to Process. When finished, select the Process Credit Card button and close. For more training tips, check out our videos in the ZarMoney Knowledge Center. And for more information regarding ZarMoney, visit us at ZarMoney.com. Until next time, my name is Carrie Lane, and we'll see you where it counts.